Invoice number V7720. Today is January 18th, 2023. We are video inspecting the Den fireplace. Approximate height will be given at the end of this video inspection. We do have what we call a pop-top damper installed at the top of this flue. It appears to be a 13 by 13 pop-top damper. One thing I will note is there is no adapter plate for this physical damper itself. Typically on round flues we install an adapter plate that would mat to that 13 by 13 pop top damper. Flue is clean. Proceeding down with scan. Height will be given at the end of this video. So you can see we have all exposed brick. Missing flue tile, all brick. We have an open mortar joint here all the way around. Looks like we're getting some moisture. Looks a little wet. Open mortar joint. Flue looks dry stacked. It looks like there's absolutely no mortar in there between the mortar joints. So we do have an offset present. You can see there's some effervescence here as well. So we are getting some moisture into this flue. You see daylight there. another offset. So we have a total of 2 offsets in here. Another mortar joint that is open. Another offset. Wire out of the way so you can see. We're now entering the smoke chamber. Smoke chamber is unparched. There's exposed brick throughout the structure. We are approximately in height 40 feet tall. That concludes the video inspection for the Den fireplace. Defects have been observed, and that concludes the video inspection.